Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Today we got the Matchbox Porsche 911 Turbo. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. This one was a definite need of a restoration. Paint was chipped off the door frame. A lot of flea bites and filled with dirt. Whoever played with this one took it to the sandbox or the dirt pile and played with it heavily. Drill out our post. And then I drilled out the cap. Popped it apart. The dirt and sand was just caked inside this thing. After I got it tapped, I brushed it all out. Had a little mound of dirt and sand on my desk. Get it into our favorite stripper. All the high points on this car were minus paint. The wheel wells, the door frame, anything that got in contact first. Here it is after bath and some wire wheel action, ready to put the primer on. Our base coat, I went with the Ford Blue Metallic. Put that set up. Now to wash the window and the interior. I didn't even know the interior was blue till I got it in the water. looks dirty and dusty. After it's dry, I dip the windscreen in the pledge. I'm going to cut the axles loose, although I did use the same wheel since it is a restoration. The axles were kind of grunged up and rusty. The wheels were actually, see some of that dirt there blowing around. The wheels were actually augured out from all the years of rough play. So I put the axle tubes in. And painted the bottom. You can see I put in the brass tubing. The inside diameter was the same as the new axle. Cleaned the wheels up, tires, re-chromed everything. Here it is, all disassembled, detailed, painted up, ready for reassembly. Quick look back at what we started with. Filthy dirty, especially on the inside. Paint missing off all the high spots. Front and back bumper, the spoiler. Here's what we ended up with. Matchbox Porsche 911 Turbo. I added all the details back in. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. For now, this is OPA'S and his Stuttgart-born vehicle saying goodbye.